Kish Mataji. In this new day, let's start the meditation by doing a collective, fully heart namaskar, and we raise our Kundalini collectively. Let's feel the Kundalini raising collectively and namaskar also collective.
Have patience, work it out. They'll put us into cases, this, that. It is only Sahajogis who can harm Sahajoga. Can you believe that? Nobody else can touch it. Unless and until a Sahajogi misbehaves, nobody can touch Sahajoga. So we have many cases like that. I mean, they have seen my photographs, they have seen miraculous photographs, they have had realization, everything happened to them. They have been so many times helped, but suddenly they say, I want to leave Sahajoga. Very good. I say, those who have to leave should leave immediately. As it is, there's very little space left in the heaven. And no place for such half-hearted people. They have to leave, they should leave. You have to have Ganesha as your ideal. It should not be that I worship Ganesha. That way you are worshipping Christ, you are worshipping this, worshipping that. But what has come inside you is the point. Have you got Sri Ganesha within you? Are you following Sri Ganesha with the same devotion, dedication? But you are made after the pattern of Sri Ganesha. Sri Ganesha was made with immaculate conception. You are also made the same way. Your Kundalini was raised, was given you the realization, and you got your second birth, and now you are Sahajogis. All these things have happened to you without having a father. If I had not told you that you have a father, you would never have known. Like other gurus, you see, they don't want to give credit to anyone. So this actually has happened with you. You are being made in the same manner as Sri Ganesh. Of course, you must be having something, otherwise I could not have made. That's also true. Supposing the Kundalini was missing, what could I have done? If not missing, if it was absolutely crooked, if not crooked, supposing there were some chakras which were horribly damaged. So, you were also people just ready to have your realization. That you were seeking it truly. That you had the pure desire to become Sahajogis, no doubt. Still, when the growth is taking place, you must watch. You must see how much sincerity we are giving, with what dedication we are working out. Now we have people who must have gone for postering somewhere, some places. Not now, it's long time back. So they charged me for their coffee also. I said, all right. Thank God they were not smoking, otherwise they would have charged me. So from that level, now we are very much changed. And some of them have become perfect Sahajogis. But still we have people on the periphery. And they get nervous at the smallest thing. Yesterday there was a storm. Has to be a storm. You don't know, when Christ was carrying his disciples, there was a very big storm. And then he stopped it. Yesterday when you started singing the songs, then only the storm stopped. Just to prove that these songs have such power. If such things don't happen, how will you know that these songs have the power? You think you are just singing just because you are singing. No, it has a power. These are mantras, these are all awakened songs. And then he stopped. They were saying, should we say mantras? I said, no, nothing. I didn't say anything, what you have to do. Suddenly they thought of singing. And it worked out. Because every time if you have to suggest, then when will you use your power? All such incidents take place. Now it was Sri Ganesha's special trick. He is the real judge for it. You must know because you have seen in Sistine Chapel, he is standing there and moving you left and right. So there is a testing point also. In Sahaja Yoga, the door is open this way. But there's a bigger door on the back side to throw out people. And the judgment is not done by me so much as by Ganesha. He judges you. And then you are thrown out. Then to come back is very difficult. Even if you come back, you are suspicious of yourself and others are also suspicious of you. So, see, what you have to understand is that this is a judgment point. Introspect yourself, find out. Am I wise? If I am doing this, am I doing wise things? Is it wise for me to do? Is it all right for me as a Sahajogi to do it? Should I do it or not? At every point, you should say. I mean, you know that I don't want any money and I don't want any presents. I've said 100 times, but you won't listen. Now they're saying that, Mother, if you stop giving us present, we'll stop. I said, you stop first, then I'll stop. But despite all this quarrel and fight, there's one thing definitely, there's love, and you want to express it. But love here is not attached, it's detached love. When it flows to its greatest extent, takes all the responsibility. There are people who go on criticizing other Sahajogis. I've seen it's very common. That's a sign of a very low type of a Sahajogi. Because he doesn't see what's wrong with him. He's trying to criticize others. Does he see what is wrong with him? There are other kinds of Sahajogis who do not realize that they are like Ganas. They are like Ganas. And imagine the Ganas, how quick they are. The Ganesha is creating those Ganas, and they are in the sternum bones first, and then they go all over the body. As soon as this centered heart, the mother's place, starts little bit vibrating, they get alerted. So we have to be alert. It's very important that we have to be alert. For about 12 years of your age, these Ganas stay there in the sternum bone, and then they go to the whole body. Because they are matured enough, they are kept there till they are completely mature to fight the enemies. And they know what kind of enemies they are. They know everything. What kind of fighting is needed, what kind of opposition is there. They will just select and they will appoint themselves who should fight whom, who should do this. But they just don't sit all the time in the mother's house. So, we have to go to the people. We have to go into the Virata's body. We have to move out. We have to go all out. Without having any fear, you have to fight them. Not to sit at home crying like a baby now, you are all grown up people. So this is what is written in the Buddha's future life, that he becomes Matraya, means he has 3 mothers in him, Matraya. But also that he goes all out in the society. He goes out everywhere and he changes people. When you ask for Gurupada, you don't know you are in trouble. Guru doesn't sit at home. He has to go all out, meet all kinds of people, tell them about Sahaja Yoga, not to be afraid. You have to live with the society. You don't have to have exclusive society where we enjoy bhajans and things. That's over now. I mean, of course, we'll always have bhajans. It doesn't mean that. But you have to go beyond. Not only to be involved only in your own problems which are being now solved, so only in Sahaja Yoga, but Sahaja Yogis, but you have to go all out. Meet other people. Tell them about Sahaja Yoga. The best is to wear badges. So people ask, who is this? Then you can talk to them. Your friends, your society. You don't have to give up anything. Don't have to give up anything. You are detached. You just go and see for yourself. This is wrong. Like yesterday, they showed all kinds of things. Also disco dance, they showed it. You should go to the disco and give them the pamphlets. Show them, what are you doing? Are you mad? Or do this kind of a disco move there. So they'll say, what's wrong with them? Then he said, we are copying you. That will put them down. You see, a lady who is, say, smoking and this and that, standing with a pose, go and stand before her with a pose and smoking like this. She'll stop it. So by copying them one way, showing them what they are. Another, writing. You must start writing. It's very important to write and answer. I must tell that there's a very nice article which has come now with me, and the English Sahaja Yogi should take it from me and answer to the gentleman. It's very important. It's in my room. I'll give them. You must know what's happening all around. What's happening in Bosnia, what's happening in Italy, what's happening here. You should read newspapers. You can see television also. Now when you are matured. Otherwise, if you see television, you'll go mad like other television people are. So what's the use of seeing the television? But if you see the television with a detached mind, you'll immediately get the point where you have to hit. Otherwise, you are sitting in the house, nicely covered up, mother, 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 mother. That's not so. Ganesha gives powers to these Ganas and they fight. That's why it's called as Ganapati. If you want to call me Ganapati, then you have to like Ganas. You have to be like Ganas, who go all out and work it out in so many ways. There's so many tricks which you can play on these people and try to bring them to Sahaja. And with you is this all-pervading power. You should not shun them. For example, laws of your countries are so horrible. Some of the laws are so horrible, the peculiar type. You should write. There's no equity, there's no sense in so many laws that you have, which are money-oriented. Say in France, they have very, very funny laws. And they never maintain the law. They don't believe in it. There's no morals, there are no laws. You write to them. You must go and see newspaper people, tell them about it. Try to now assert yourself. Unless and until you do that, nobody is going to get to Sahaja. You might get very great people out of that. You can invite some people, you can call them. The modus operandi of these gurus I have seen. They write very nice letters to all these big Johnnies as soon as they go to some house. Then they seek interview, go and see that person, talk to him. They carry, you see, sort of, you can say, a kind of a negotiations, you can call it, or some sort of a panel will go and see them. It's all that level. And then they show them books, see now this is happening, why don't you take to it? We don't want money, this thing, that. You might get lots of people. But you have to invite them, because unless and until you invite them, they'll not come to you. So you have to invite them. And you have to tell them that we want to meet you, this is it. Out of at least 100, if not, at least 20 will reply. They would like to meet you, should say, we found out this, we found out that. So now, today as Ganas, you have to do this special work, is to understand now you are matured enough, you have to go in the society. Now if you get upset, mother, I went there and this happened and that, it doesn't matter. You are not going to be crucified. You are not going to be murdered. And do you know there's all the time eye protection on. If you want, you can see a photograph we have. It's him. You can see that. Complete protection. It follows you. You have seen light on your heads. You are the marked people who are already sitting in the kingdom of God. Why should you be afraid? Why should you not meet people? Then also I said, make some music. Like yesterday's, I liked the way they were singing. At least you see whatever they were singing may not be pop music sort or something, but it was clear. The message should be clear. You can use pop style, doesn't matter. But the message should be clear. It should not be, I can never understand what they are singing. So every word should be clear cut. We can go all out to have real publicity. But for that, we need people who are really matured enough. Otherwise, with the slightest provocation, they get upset, start fighting. Finished. Also, we should not say that you are intellectual, you cannot understand. You said you can mentally also you can understand. We can explain to you. Prepare yourself. We can even have some sort of seminars or classes where we can discuss about these things. In the pujas, you can have some sort of a morning time is always free, some sort of a seminar or a discussion, or they call a brain trust or whatever it is. And there you can discuss things, how we can proceed, what we can do. Now the time has come, it's over. All this preparation is over. You are prepared for it. Now you have to go all out, tell people. You know these people from this Brahma Kumari, what they tell? Now the doomsday has come. You are all going to be doomed openly. And so that you give us money, you will be saved. So now you have to say that this is the last judgment. You take your realization, otherwise you will be doomed. Unless and until you take your realization, without your assent, you cannot get out of your genetic problems. All these genetic problems can be only solved if you get your realization. So you have to tell others, get out of your personal problems. Mother, my wife has no children. It doesn't matter. There are so many children in this world. You are doing a good work by not having a child. And if you want to have a child, you can adopt a child. Then my child is like this, my child is like that, my child. So much attachment to children I have never seen. Before marriage, if they have children, I have seen people treat them better. But if they are married, they kill their children. So many people kill their children, abuse their children, do all kinds of things. But once they are Sahajogis, they, from this end to that end, they just get glued to their children. So there should be a detached attitude towards everything and no attachments. Then only you will be free. But that doesn't mean that you are not doing your duty, your nourishment that is needed. You have to give love to everyone, you have to care for everyone, but you shouldn't get attached. I have seen people, they get attached even to Sahajogis. One Sahajogi misbehaved and went out of the Sahajoga. 10 Sahajogis went away with him. They are not attached to me but to that stupid Sahajogi. He went to Nepal, he learned some Vidya, he came back and they went away with him. That shows you have not developed your personality. How dare anybody influence you and say that get out of Sahajoga? If you have a mature personality and responsibility, you will say I have to do Sahajoga work, that's the main thing I have to do. You must know that though you look ordinary people, but God has chosen you. If any one of you do not do Sahajoga work, who will be blamed? In every aspect of life, one should understand. You see, I don't say that you give me money or anything. I don't want anything from you. As it is, you know how much I am spending. But definitely, if money is needed somewhere, you must go all out to help with money also. People will spend money in, say, races or spend money on some sort of a pub. All that money is saved now. You don't have to go to a pub, nothing. So, if money is needed, you have to spend. Then
Saksha Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Let collectively take 1 minute to breathe in deeply, inflating the stomach, and breathing out deeply as well. We breathe in, we breathe pure energy, pure vibration of the new day. We do a pause, and then we deeply breathe out all the toxic energy within us, the stress, all the negative energy. And then we pause again and redo the cycle. Let's do that for 30 seconds. And while we are doing it, we are putting our attention together from all the corner of the world where all the children of Adishakti are currently meditating. We are one in our heart, in our attentions, in our kundalinis. Inspirons profondément et expirons profondément. Et essayons d'être complètement collectifs dans notre cœur, dans notre conscience et dans notre attention au niveau global, au niveau mondial. Both hands on the floor. From our collective heart, where the spirit shines, let's say Shri Ganesh mantra 4 times. Mettons les deux mains sur le sol et à partir du cœur, disons 4 fois le mantra de Shri Ganesha. Om Tvameva Saksha Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Let's collectively, as one being, from our hands on the floor, connect with the Lord Ganesh at the center of planet Earth. Let's feel the magnet. Let's feel the attraction. Let's feel the union with the Lord Ganesh, his complete form in Mother Earth. Let's say also one time Shri Adibhumi Devi with full gratitude and full love, just to worship and respect our mother, Shri Adibhumi Devi. Disons une fois le mantra de Shri Adibhumi Devi, en gardant toujours les mains sur le sol. Om Tvameva Saksha Shri Adibhumi Devi Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Collective surrender, collective surrender to the Lord Ganesh in Mother Earth. Through our hands on the floor, let ego, superego, mind, possession, negativity, all adharma be completely surrendered to Mother Earth and absorbed by Mother Earth. À travers nos deux mains sur le sol, laissons toutes les négativités individuelles et collectives, l'ego, le superego, le mental, les possessions, tout ce qui est négatif en nous, être absorbé par la terre-mère.
श्री गणेश अथर्व शीर्षम। ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानूचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारपरतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण ऋद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं गकारपूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपं बिन्दुरुत्तररूपं नादसन्धानं संहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निच्छृद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदञ्च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्तेऽस्तु लम्बोदरायैकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्रीनिर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Left hand on the lap, right hand still remain on the floor. Attention above Sahasrara.
गणेश अथर्व शीर्षम्। ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानूचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमिष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारपरतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण ऋद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं गकारपूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपं बिन्दुरुत्तररूपं नादसन्धानं संहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निच्छृद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदञ्च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते लम्बोदरायैकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Third time, we reinforce collective attention, still keeping left hand and right hand on the floor. Let's be completely in the collective attention.
श्री गणेश अथर्व शीर्षम। ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारपरतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण ऋद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपं बिन्दुरुत्तररूपं नादसन्धानं संहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निच्छृद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदञ्च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः। नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते लम्बोदरायैकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Fourth Ganesh Atharva Shirsha, full collective attention on collective Muladhara.
श्री गणेश अथर्व शीर्षम्। ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानूचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारपरतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण ऋद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं गकारपूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपं बिन्दुरुत्तररूपं नादसन्धानं संहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निच्छृद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदञ्च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः। नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्तेऽस्तु लम्बोदरायैकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Both hands on the lap. Total attention above Sahasrara. Total collective attention above Sahasrara. Complete surrender to the Lord Ganesh. Let's surrender to the glory of Lord Ganesh and go higher, higher that we usually go above Sahasrara. And feel collectively the glory of God, the pure vibration of the divine, and surrender collectively to this rain of vibration. Open our heart, open our attention, and go beyond Sahasrara. Now that we are totally united in Sasvara, surrendered to the divine, to the Lord Ganesh, to our mother, let this powerful rain of vibration and our collective attention just totally drench all humanity, all planet Earth. May this rain of vibrations, of light, of love, of purity, completely clean all planet Earth, clean all humanity from within. May every human being feel the love, feel the vibration, feel the purity, feel all the powers of the Lord Ganesh. May the Lord Ganesh continue to protect us to the highest level, day, night, and at every time for eternity. May the Lord Ganesh remove, remove all the obstacles at any level in our lives. Make us strong, powerful, and help us continue the spiritual journey to grow more each day, collectively, individually, and to become what we truly are in our heart, the pure spirit. Let collectively put attention on all humanity and on all planet Earth, and let the vibration completely drench, illuminate all humanity, all planet Earth. Now, before finishing, let's open our heart collectively, individually, and let Sri Ganesh be in our heart. Let's feel the love that we have for him, our biggest brother, the pure creation of our own mother, who has been created with pure Parama Chaitanya. Let's feel the joy and let him also clean our heart, clean our traumas, clean all the sorrows, the sadness, everything that is not joy in us. We just surrender to him collectively. We need to be very sincere and just really surrender. Let's do it collectively now, complete surrender. We need to surrender until we feel some relief in our heart, in our being, in our emotions. Collective Namaskar with full gratitude to the Lord Ganesh and to our mother. And those who want to stay a few minutes more can stay afterward to absorb more vibrations.